Hey there. First of all, let's give you some credit. You're here, and that's a huge step. Sometimes just showing up is more than half the battle. And guess what? If you're feeling like you just can't meditate right now, that's actually the perfect place to start. Stay with me on this. Let's keep it simple. Set a timer for just 3 minutes. If you can, find a place to sit, preferably with your back unsupported, unless that's uncomfortable for you. If sitting isn't an option, no worries. Stand with both feet on the ground, and if you need to, hold on to something stable like the back of a chair or a countertop. If standing still feels like too much right now, you might want to check out a walking meditation later. Sometimes moving helps us settle into ourselves when stillness feels impossible. Now, let's talk, without judgment, about what's making meditation feel so tough today. Is it anger? Maybe even rage? Is anxiety buzzing through you, making you feel like you've got to do something about it? Or is it a deep grief that's just sitting there, heavy? Whatever it is, go ahead and say it out loud. I'm feeling, and fill in the blank. I can't meditate because. It's too hard to meditate when I feel. As you say these things out loud, try to notice the feelings that are coming up. Pay attention to any sensations in your stomach, chest, or neck. It might take a minute to really notice them, and that's perfectly okay. Keep naming what's blocking you from meditating until you've got it all out. Now let's be real. One of the strongest feelings might just be, I don't want to. And you know what? That's totally valid. What does that feel like? Where do you feel that in your body? Does it have a texture, a color, a temperature? Is there some resistance to even feeling it? What does that resistance feel like? Keep widening your circle of awareness. Notice the thoughts or feelings of, I don't want to do this. This isn't going to work. I'm not supposed to feel this way. See if you can breathe into these feelings. Just allow yourself to not want to meditate without trying to run away from it. Can you locate that resistance in your body? Maybe you can let it be there, even if just for a moment. What does it feel like now? If your timer has gone off, congratulations. You've just meditated. Meditation is like lifting weights at the gym. We start small and build up. You're training to become more and more capable of being with discomfort and that feeling of not having solid ground to stand on. When you face these blocks and stop resisting them, that's real training. It's not something that happens overnight. We've all spent a lifetime learning to run, distract ourselves, or react when we're upset, agitated, or sad. If you've managed 3 minutes, maybe you're up for another 3. If not, That's okay too. You can always come back to this later. Notice if your emotions have shifted, if different blocks are popping up, or if there's a bit more space around them. Be kind to yourself. Remember, this takes time and it takes kindness. There's a reason it's called a practice. Take care and remember, you've got this.